Sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, this letter that we're going to talk about this week is another vowel. I, that we talked about last week, is one of our vowels, and it says I, I, I. So this week we're going to talk about the letter U. This is the letter U, capital U, lowercase u. U is for umbrella. And when it rains, we hold our umbrella up. So our story to help us for the letter U is when it rains, we have our umbrella, and whenever we're grabbing it, we push it up. Good. Up. So when you see the letter U, always remember we're grabbing our umbrella and we're going to push it up. Good job. Very good. All right. Capital U, lowercase u. U is for umbrella. U is for underwater. Underwater. U is for under. Look at this little man. He's under that foot. And U is for undies. Undies. Good. This is how we write the letter U. A smile. Then a smile, and we go up and a pull down. A smile. A smile, then we go up and a pull down. Very good, just like this. Capital U is going to go smile. Then we're going to do a lowercase u that's a smile and we pull down. Very good, guys. Have a great day.